How to transfer from crypto.com to Tangem Wallet. Start by copying the wallet address from Tangem Wallet. Open the Tangem Wallet app and log into your account. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right or select a specific wallet. After selecting your wallet, you'll be taken to wallet settings where you can see the option called Manage Tokens. Select Manage Tokens. This step is crucial because if you're transferring Bitcoin from crypto.com to Tangem, you need to select Bitcoin. Depending on what you wish to send, manage the token and select a network. Remember this network and tap on Save. The token will be added to your home screen on Tangem. Select that token and copy the wallet or deposit address of that token. Find the deposit button for that particular cryptocurrency. Once you have the deposit wallet address from Tangem Wallet, launch the crypto.com app, tap on the transfer icon, select withdraw, and then choose external wallet. After selecting external wallet, choose the crypto for which you copied the wallet address. Paste the wallet address and use the same network you used to extract that token from Tangem wallet. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction to transfer from crypto.com to Tangem. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.